हाँ ये सही रहेगा, इसको पकड़ो और खींचो अपने आप को। राइट साइड मिश्रा जी, इस साइड। हाँ, हम वहाँ से उस पेड़ के सामने से मिश्रा जी आए, मैं लेफ्ट से आया, आके हम लोग इधर।
मुझे स्ट्रेट है बिल्कुल
एकदम स्ट्रेट है ना?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो है बाल फ्लाईओवर से सीधे निकल
तो वही
Huliyurdurga, the name you may be hearing for the very first time. Anyway, even though it may be the first time for you, but today with us, you will get to know all about this fascinating place. And just for your information, there are total 9 numbers of Durgas near Bangalore. This is one of them. And also, don't get confused with the name Durga. No, it doesn't mean goddess Durga. It means hill fort. It has another name as well, Kumbi Betta. Again, Betta means hill. So both Huliyurdurga and Kumbi Betta refers to the same very place. It is around 100 km from Bangalore and it perfectly fits your one-day trip list. Upon reaching here, we have two paths, one leading to the top through the stairs and the other is on the right. Although it seems we need to take the stairs, however, we just wanted to explore what lies there in this path. Well, as you see, it led us to this temple where we see another path leading to somewhere, but not so sure where it may. So we have decided to take staircase as a safe bet, because the more we delay finding the other path, the more sunny and hot this place will become. And that is the last thing we want, as we also have to find our own path to the summit. So myself and Mr. Raji will be taking on this uncertain exploration today. Uncertain in terms of like we are unsure if we at all can make it to the top, and the chances of making it to the summit is 1%. At least it is the first impression about this place in my mind after watching few videos. So cannot ask more people to try and fail. Although I know few crazy people who would still want to try, Upen is one of them. So here we are. At the base you will meet Lord Ganesha. It is said that the blessings of Lord Ganesha before any task make the task successful. So we are more hopeful now. Let the fun begin. Yes, the real fun begins here. You will see arrow marks pointing upwards indicating this is the path to follow. So we are on the right track. However, it looks little bit risky too. We are in the dilemma now on how to safely climb this portion. Finally, instead of taking that one, we chose to take the adjacent easy looking path to start the climbing. This one has the trees to hold on to and a better foot positioning. Let's give it a try, as unless we try, we really cannot be sure which one is what. And see why I said real fun begins here? So take the blessings for sure to remain calm and composed. See the happiness. We are just starting, my friends. Stay with us and have more fun on the way. We believe in the journey rather than the destination. And trust me, we will find a way to the summit, or if not, at least we will give it a try for sure. Rest I leave it with the hill and the Lord. I also strongly believe that it is the hill that allows us to climb. If it wishes, we can make it, or if it doesn't, then we simply cannot climb it to the top, irrespective of the efforts we put in. Okay, the first hurdle is over. It's time to move forward. As the leaves are covering the paths, we have to be a bit careful as it might be slippery at times. And at the same time, we are keeping a watch on the arrows so that we do not lose the track. There is an old saying we all know, slow but steady wins the race. Although I am not so sure if that applies to everywhere, but we are trying that here for sure. You know, slow, steady and firm grip. So we have already climbed up to this point and still going up. At this moment, I have absolutely no idea on how long it may take to reach to the summit. Absolutely no idea. Cause few videos I have watched before coming here didn't say that. Only in one video they could reach to the top, but they didn't mention how difficult it is and the time it may take to reach to the summit. And that is the motivation for me to come here and conquer it as well. My simple funda is that if they can make it, so I can. At least I can give it a try. No, there is nothing to prove to anyone that I am a daredevil guy or I can take unnecessary risk. No, not at all. It is simply that I love this kind of places. success, failures, awesome scenery, etc. matters very less to me. I would not say those do not matter at all, but the significance is very less to me. And it's not me alone thinking that way. We have hundreds and thousands of people like that. I personally know few of them, and one is with me today. Anyway, you don't worry. At this end of this hike, you will get to know everything that you should know before venturing out this one. And oh yes, I forgot to tell you, it is just two of us at this moment in this entire area. So feeling bit worried because of that? Haha, not at all. We are enjoying every bit of it. And the weather is pleasant as well. So far, so good. Let's see what lies ahead of us. Come, let's get going. Giving you a different angle of how I just climbed. This will give you a better idea on what thrill to expect out of this exciting hike. We have to carry our bags as we have essentials like water, snacks in it. Also, we have put our riding gears into it. So the question is it making much of an issue? The response is not much. But yes, the lesser the weight of the bag is, the more easy is the journey. And this applies to everywhere. So keep the luggage as less as possible. That will give you freedom of movement. We are now right in front of the toughest area of the entire hike. People gave up or normally think to give up their journey exactly at this place. No, I'm not saying they have not tried or they do not try. Obviously they tried, but somehow they had to abandon the journey at this very point. Anyway, it's our turn now, either to abandon here or get past to this. Here is that 1% chance I was talking about in the beginning of this journey. There is no proper steps where you can keep your feet and climb. Here you would need a calm mind that can think beyond the hurdle. Let's see. Okay, as you see, our first attempt has failed. Now trying the alternate way. Here a good grip shoe will boost your confidence. In fact, not only here, a good grip shoe will make your life easy in any hikes. Remember that. Anyway, I'm half done here. Now need to finish the rest of the portion. Don't hurry up here. Take your own time. Ensure you have a good, solid and firm grip before you move your other feet. Else you may fall, sleep and enjoy yourself. So absolutely no hurry at all. Remember, small, calculated steps makes the journey easy. And here you would find a rope tied up with a tree. Thanks to the person who did this. Else I'm pretty sure almost no one can get past to this. Almost no one. Thanks again to that unknown person. Thanks dude, I appreciate. As soon as you get past to the toughest part, this cactus tree is waiting to welcome you. There are two ways to move forward. First, you stay low and get past under the tree, and the second from the left side of the tree that is little more steep. So choose your path wisely. Now I feel that 1% chance of making it to the summit became 100%. It feels it's just a matter of time when we are going to conquer this fort as well. Haha, feeling so excited. Let me show you the city, how it looks up from here. We have almost covered 80% of the hike at this point. So few more minutes to the summit. Stay with us mate, just 20% more to cover. Here is another portion where you may have to pause for a second. No, it is easy, but due to that cactus tree, you need to be a bit careful. And in any case, if you have any hesitation, just calm down, have a relook and then start climbing again. This is nothing in compared to the previous ones. And whenever you feel you are set, simply climb based on the plan. It is that simple. And of course, stay low. We are almost there, almost. We can see the fort wall from here. Just few more steps my friends. Hang on, we are 90% done. Just 10% more to go. As said earlier, small calculated steps will take you to the places where you want to be. So have patience and faith in yourself. Sometimes the paths may look challenging, but as you know, difficult paths often lead to beautiful places. And here I want to add my favorite line. The question is not how can I make it. The question is who is going to stop me. Change the question, it will change the perspective as well. So with these steps, we have reached the summit. Finally, a lot of ifs and buts during the planning phase has paid off. lot of hesitations. Can we make it or can we not? Is it worth going? So on and so forth. But at this point, I can certainly say it is not that tough that I thought initially. Maybe I didn't come across any video that has captured all this to make me more confident about this hike. Obviously, everyone tries their very best to put things together and make things easy for the people like us. But maybe, unfortunately, I couldn't find that kind. Or maybe God wanted me to have a first-hand kind of experience in this hike. Anyway, at this juncture, I'm pretty sure the way we try to capture every step will make your journey, planning and your presence much easier. You will surely feel confident about this place that yes, if I can make it until here, you can too. Again, remember my favorite line? Yes, change the question one. To go to the other side, you don't need to climb the wall like I just did. We have alternative and easy path to go and you can easily find that here. Although it is bit bushy but won't make much of a problem. You can easily glide through it. So here is what it looks like from this part of the fort. This is the biggest wall here and we are yet to find any gate through it. And that is the path I just came from. Now it's time to explore the other end of this wall. Just wanted to make sure that we are not missing anything. It's a small boundary and the path is not that bushy like the other side. Come, let's find out. Well, as you see, there is no way in. Anyway, from there we climbed here and went straight, took the bushy path and came here. As you see, there is no way in. I mean, yes, you still can climb through that window or the wall, but that is absolutely unnecessary, I feel. So forget about getting inside, rather enjoy the view from here. And you see the Karnataka flag flying high? And by this time, you know that young man. Most of the hikes we do together. Okay, we have almost covered the area except the last part on the right, where we are heading now. No, not expecting much. Simply going to see the other side. And you know why? We don't want to miss anything at all. We get one chance and we make most of it. This is what it looks like as of now. The entire area mostly looks dry at the top and it will gradually change during or post-monsoon. So when you come here, it may be the entirely different scenario altogether. And it is needless to say, the view is awesome from the top and the horizon looks so beautiful. Okay, it's time for us to have some snacks. Yes, we do carry bit of snacks in every hike. And who wants to miss this golden opportunity to sit, relax and enjoy the view along with your snacks? And while you enjoy your snacks, ensure you do not litter at all. We always carry the trash back with us and dump it at home only. I expect you to do the same as well. Come on, we all are responsible hikers. Finally, it's time to say goodbye Huliyurdurga, aka Kumbi Betta. It's been a wonderful, thrilling experience. Thank you.
So friends, with this we have come to the conclusion and summary part of it. You may feel this portion as boring and you may simply want to go there. But before you go, I just want you to know few things that might answer most of your queries you may still have. And trust me, I'll just take few minutes of yours. The obvious question you might have, can you take your car there? Yes, you can. But you may have to park your car around 50 meters from the base. I guess that should be fine because I know you can walk. Wear comfortable and full sleeves clothes with a good grip shoe. You know the importance of a good grip shoe, right? Carry water bottle and snacks and ensure you are one of the zero littering person on this earth. There is no monkey around, so you can enjoy your hike and stay. Try to be at the base early in the morning. And if you are the first timer, start as soon as the darkness vanishes. And the most important question of this entire hike, how long it takes to reach the summit? Well, it may take around 30 to 45 minutes depending on the speed and how you manage the entire hike. For us, it took around 25 minutes to reach to the summit. That's it. I would not say it is a difficult one, rather it is a tricky one. In most of the places you will find two paths. So pause, take a deep breath and put your next leg forward. The best time to visit would definitely be pre or post monsoon. And during monsoon, a strict no, not at all. I would not suggest this hike for the very first timers. No, it's not that they cannot do. It's because they may get scared at times. You know, it's very much important to have confidence in your ability. And last but not the least, it's worth visiting there if you love to explore the unexplored, exciting and thrilling ones. Just go for it. So, should you still have any questions, do let me know in the comment sections, and also let me know what you think about this video. Do let me know. Also, we have covered popular as well as not so popular yet stunning places. I bet you should want to have a look at those playlists. See you there. Oh wait. Don't miss the most funny part of this entire story. Yes, you have got it right, behind the scenes.
हाँ अब बता दो हाँ आप गूंगे नहीं हो बोल सकते हो बोल दो
उतरेंगे कैसे मिश्रा जी?
सरक सरक के अब रस्सी पकड़ लो एक बार
आराम से हाँ, जब तक एक पैर ठीक से ना होके मत देना। हाँ आराम से, हाँ करेक्ट, हाँ सही। अब रखो, ये रस्सी लो, पकड़ो इसको, हाँ आराम से पकड़ो, इधर पैर डालो। हाँ मैं यहाँ से ट्राई मारता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ से मुझे नीचा नहीं होना पड़ेगा और मेरा जूते का ग्रिप भी सही है थोड़ा, तो इसलिए आई कैन मेक इट। यहाँ जाओ, हाँ यहाँ जाओ, हाँ यहाँ से जैसे मैं आया, हाँ पकड़ो वहाँ पे, पैर रखो। हाँ बैग ले लूँ क्या?
झुको
आ गए, कर लिए, चढ़ लिए। मिश्रा जी कैप कहाँ रहेगा?
बैग में
डाल दिया आपने?
ऊपर लेने नहीं जा सकते हो
लेकिन ये थोड़ा ऊंचा हो गया,
सीधे
समझ रहे हो?
हाँ